certain amount of time. Yeah, look at Maddie smiling at it. What you got there, Isaiah? Let's see your shirt. He likes his book.
He looks like
Show Mama your new shirt, honey.
Let's see it.
It says, "You rock."
Oh, cool.
He likes his book. Okay, Grandma will open it for you, okay? Maddie, come here. Where's your book? Push the button on Maddie's book. Say thank you, Grandpa. Say it in the camera. Say it. Say thank you, Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Say it in the camera, honey.
Thank you, Grandpa.
I love you.
I love you.
Okay.